Now, be careful. There are two different bones out there. There's one on CoinMarketCap called Bone. It looks like this. That's the logo with the dog, and it seems like it has a bone in front of him. And then if you go to CoinGecko or somewhere else, that's the bone that's connected with ShibaSwap, and that has a meat on the bone. That's what I look for. And it's also been trading around $1.50, $1.60 lately, but just make sure it's connected with the right website and make sure it's the right token. And let's talk about this very, very slowly. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Why not hit that bell notification? You get videos just like this. Now, bone versus bone, I don't want to confuse you because new people are coming in and they might have heard of bone, which was best connected with ShibaSwap. And what happens is, this is the bone. And so if I'm hearing about bone, and I can understand. Because if I hear bone, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna go to bone, and then I'm going to, okay, this is the bone I'm gonna buy. And then both bones are on Uniswap. That's the thing about it though. But check this out. This is another area you can find out what bone is the right one. The website. So on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko or any of those type of sites, they usually have a website that's tied to their actually token or coin. So if I click on My Dog Data, it's redirected me to My Dog Data that's talking about the data blockchain Dog Life Data Explorer. This ain't ShibaSwap Bone. So you know that for a fact because it has nothing to do with ShibaSwap Bone. It's completely different. So, and even the other website does the same exact thing pretty much. But if I go to the bone of the CoinGecko, which I normally do to kind of like do my research a little bit on what bone is doing, Bone ShibaSwap, first of all, it has his name right here, and it's connected with ShibaSwap. So if I go there, I click on ShibaSwap, it connects me, redirects me to the ShibaSwap website. So now I'm like, okay, this is the right bone for ShibaSwap. And then the next thing you would do, you would go ahead and swap your tokens. Now, what I like about ShibaSwap is if I'm looking for bone, look at this. It does have the other bone in here. It does have that, but it also has the other bone that's connected with ShibaSwap. So if this is the bone with ShibaSwap, I click on there, and that's the bone you look for, the one with the meat on there. However, in ShibaSwap, it does have the other bone on there. It does have it there. So let's say if I import this, I get it wrong. I import this in here. I like the fact it does not have the actual logo. It actually has the question mark. So basically, that's not the right bones you should do. Look for the bone that has the meat on there. So that's how it looks like in ShibaSwap. So that bone, be careful. Now, if I go back to bone here, this is the logo, and then this is the website. Now, another place that you need to really be careful on, let's say you skipped all that and you went right to Uniswap, because you can buy both bones on Uniswap. Now, if I go to Uniswap, it looks like this. If I click on Uniswap protocol, click on launch app, I'll be directed to a page that looks like this. Now, Ethereum, you're going to use Ethereum to swap any of those bones, really, but you want to look for the bone of ShibaSwap connected to. In my opinion, if you're going to buy bone ShibaSwap, just go to ShibaSwap. It's just safer, it's easier, you don't have to worry about guessing and all that. But if you just land on this for whatever reason, and if I type in bone, it does have both bones in here. Make sure you do bone ShibaSwap if you just feel like you got to use Uniswap to get bone. I wouldn't do it necessarily because ShibaSwap has everything there for you for the right bone with ShibaSwap. But here's the problem is, if I'm trying to select the bone, and let's say I accidentally select this one, you know, or this, if I accidentally select that one there, it's going to give me the wrong bone. That's the bone that's connected with this bone. And we don't want that at all. If I'm getting bone with ShibaSwap, I want it to say bone ShibaSwap on there. And I'm glad they put that language in there. But the problem is that when I select it in Uniswap, I don't see the logo. Where in ShibaSwap, I see the logo very, very well just by going in here, typing in bone, and I see the logo right there. So just be careful. If you're going to get bone Shiba Swap, get it in Shiba Swap. And just beware what this bone looks like. I am not even sure what this really is. Just be careful. Do your research on all these tokens and coins. This is completely different from the bone Shiba Swap that I'm really used to. This is Ether Bone will be listed. They're talking about other types of bone, and it's other bone imitations, Ether Bone and all these other bones. Just be careful on that as well, for you won't get confused. So just be careful, do your research, and look for the right type of bone, because we want you to get the right bone for you. That's all. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you find the right bone, Shiba Swap bone. Make sure it has that logo in there, and you'll be just fine. I'll see you on the next video.